Hello my dear kids. So today our subject is English. Let's start. So children, today I will teach you English capital letter Y and capital letter Z. Children, this is capital letter Y and this is small letter y. So let's see some pictures which start with letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo is a toy. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Y for yellow, yellow color. Y for yacht and Y for yolk. Children, yolk is a egg pulp, okay? So children, identify these all pictures in your 2A book, page number 85, okay? So now children, I will teach you how to trace and write capital letter Y. This is capital letter Y. Y for yak. So children, for tracing capital letter Y, you have to start. First you have to do small slanting line. Then again small slanting line. And in the down side, you have to do small standing line. There are two slanting lines and one standing line. Let's see children how to write capital letter Y. Here two dots are given on the first line only. So first you have to draw one small slanting line from the first dot to the second line. And from the second dot you have to draw second slanting line. See children, it's like a capital letter V, right? But it's a small v, first line to second line only. And from here, in between, you have to draw small standing line to the third line. See children, first you have to write capital letter V, but small to the second line only, and then small standing line to the third line. Are you getting children? Let's see again. From the first dot, from the first line, go slant down. Then from the second dot, again go slant down. Join both the slanting lines, and from the down side, second line to third line, draw small standing line. Capital letter Y. So children, this full page you have to do in your homework. But how to do? Speak and write. Do with me. Slanting line, and standing line. Capital letter Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Understand children? So children, our today's next letter is capital letter Z. This is capital letter Z and this is small letter z. So let's see some pictures which start with letter Z. Z for zebra, Z for zebra crossing, Z for zip, Z for zoo. Have you ever visited zoo? Yes? Very good. Z for zero. Okay children? So now you have to identify these all pictures in our 2A book, page number 87. So now children, let's learn how to trace and write capital letter Z. This is capital letter Z and Z for zebra. So children, for tracing capital letter Z, you have to draw first slipping line. Then from the end of the slipping line, draw one slanting line. And from the ending of the slanting line, draw again one slipping line. There are two slipping lines and one slanting line. Easy, no? So now let's see how to write it. So children, see here two dots are given. This is first dot and this is second dot. So you have to start from the first dot. And on the first line only, you have to draw small slipping line. Like see. And from the ending of the slipping line, you have to draw one slanting line to the second dot at the third line, okay? And from here only, again draw small slipping line on the third line. It's a capital letter Z. Are you getting children? Let's see again. From the first dot on the first line, draw small slipping line. From the ending of the slipping line, draw one slanting line to the third line, to the second dot, okay, and then draw again small slipping line at the third line, capital letter Z. Children, speak and write, always speak and write, it is necessary, okay. Let's see, capital letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Children, this full page you have to complete in your homework, okay? So children, your today's homework is write capital letter Y and capital letter Z with neat and clear handwriting in our English book, page number 108 and 109, and match the pictures with its letter on match page number 112 in our English book. Thank you.